Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today we are going to be troubleshooting a common error on M365 applications, especially in Outlook. How to fix the error 7ITA9 in Outlook. First, let's talk about probable causes. Almost all cases are related to problems with the AAD broker plugin that became corrupt or it's not working properly due to some of these reasons. First, bad installation of Office 365 applications. Second, errors in the Azure AD account. Third, changes of domain controller. Fourth, third-party antivirus or firewall solutions that are performing active scanning on the AAD broker plugin operation, which is not recommended by Microsoft, and this cold cause authentication problems or disruptions. There are many ways to troubleshoot and fix it, and I will show you some of the simpler ways. Solution 1. Go to your Windows setting accounts. Access work or school. Select and disconnect your work or school account. Reboot, then join again. Note that this action might not be allowed by your organization. If that's the case, you will see that the disconnect button is grayed out, and you need assistance from your local IT to perform this action. Solution 2. Delete the folders, IdentityCache and Oneauth. Go to %localappdata, %Microsoft. Select and delete these two folders and reboot. Solution 3. Re-register the AAD broker plugin and the Cloud Experience host with PowerShell. Run the command with PowerShell as administrator. This command will be in the description. Solution 4. As a last resort, nuclear option. Delete the AAD broker plugin and Cloud Experience host folders. They are located on %localappdata, %packages. Run the re-register command again and reboot. All the commands and folder location will be in the video description. I hope that this solution helps you all to resolve this issue. If not, please leave your questions on the comments and I'll try to assist you. If you have any suggestions for the next videos, don't forget to leave them in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.